Hello, I'm Michael Kirichenko. You are watching SkyWay News, where we report on the developments and implementation of breakthrough transport technologies. From this release, you will get to know about the construction of facilities in the United Arab Emirates and Belarus, the current situation with the rolling stock production, and latest SkyWay developments in the field of artificial intelligence. And now more details about all this. We continue building the Innovation Center for Unitsky SkyWay Transport, which is to become part of the infrastructure at the Research, Technology and Innovation Park in Sharjah. Last week, we finished the construction of parapet walls on both anchor supports at flexible string overpass of the first test track structure, completed welding of U-profiles into strings, fixed anchor units on support poles, installed brace struts. Work is underway on the installation of semi-saddles, backfilling and compaction of soil at anchor pockets, as well as backfilling and compaction on their earth foundation. On the territory of the subject, we are also currently arranging the roof of the Eco House, an innovative residential module embodying a number of regional environmental technologies. In addition to demonstrating a new concept of living space arrangement, it will be used as the project's headquarters in the Emirate of Sharjah, receptions of delegations, etc. In his address to investors at EcoFest 2019, Anatoly Unitsky, general designer of SkyWay Technologies company, said,
Наше научное исследование и наша инженерная школа, создана мною, как бы к нам ни относились на моей родине, и впредь останутся в Беларуси.
And therefore, active work in the homeland of SkyWay's creator does not stop. We are actively proceeding with the construction of a new production building in Karalishevich village that is included in the Free Economic Zone Minsk, and all the work is already finished at Silitskого Street in Shabani. You know it perfectly well from our previous reports. Heat insulation of walls at the building for accommodation of humus-producing equipment is in process at SkyWay Eco Technopark. Installation of canopies over a straight track section is underway on the cargo transport system. Design work on gasification also goes on in the Center for Testing, Demonstration and International Certification of Unitsky's string transport. To ensure safe emergency braking of the Unicar in tropical version, intended for movement along a flexible string overpass, or the first line currently under construction in SkyWay Innovation Center located in Sharjah, we are preparing to ship to the United Arab Emirates an emergency brake designed by specialists of the Design Bureau, Tooling and Test Equipment. The innovation of the developed device is an upgraded multi-stage emergency braking system that ensures safety of passengers in the event of unforeseen emergencies. In case of a vehicle braking system failure, it allows stopping the vehicle safely and comfortably. Our team is successfully developing software solutions using artificial intelligence. Taking into account the high safety requirements for the entire transport complex, neural networks used in the vision system are being successfully trained to identify objects not only in ideal conditions, but also in poor visibility, darkness, and in presence of non-standard objects. The first video demonstrates that SkyWay Vision System detects such a tool as a hammer in the vehicle cabin. Even in poor visibility, we can be sure that any particular object will be detected, be it a knife, a gun, or anything else. We must not forget about the safety outside the vehicle too. In the second video, we see a normal conversation between two people. As it turned out, or rather as reported by the system, one of the speakers had a firearm under his jacket. It is obvious that our system will raise safety of any element of the complex, for example, at stations. Such is our traditional brief report on the progress in the development of SkyWay technology over the past week. Follow the updates on the official SkyWay website, sign up to our SkyWay YouTube channel, support our project, and sleep tight. You have someone to take care of you. Build SkyWay, save the planet.